you've been processing maps locally on a PC using WebODM, you might not be getting the quality that you expect. In fact, your local results could be significantly worse than those processed in the cloud without you even realizing it. That's because WebODM's local settings prioritize speed over quality by default. Many users, including myself until today, assume that both local and cloud processing use the same settings, but that's not the case. On checking with the WebODM folks, they confirm that they deliberately set the quality for local processing lower as it, quote, strikes a decent balance of not crashing folks' machines while still presenting a decent product for many flights. Fortunately, the fix is easy. When processing locally, you just need to adjust two settings. So before you start processing, click on the Edit button next to the options and then change DEM-resolution to 2 or lower and change orthophoto-resolution to 2 or lower also. The default for both of these when processing locally is set to 5. These changes will ensure that your locally processed maps match the quality of the cloud processing. So if your maps are not looking as sharp as you expected, now you know why. Adjust these two settings and you'll see a big difference. One final thought. It is possible that with these new values you might find your machine isn't powerful enough to process the maps. In that case, you might need to experiment with other values until you find a compromise that works, or just offload the processing via the WebODM cloud platform or by setting up your local machine to process via WebODM Lightning. I've covered that previously, so I'll include links to those videos in the description. If this helped, drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.